morning, everyone. Today we are going to make one of my favorite dishes, rice pudding. And it's one of my favorite dishes, and so I decided to make it today for you guys. And let me start with the ingredients that I'm going to use for it. We need about half a cup of cashews, half a cup of cashews here, half a cup of cashews, and half a cup of raisins, and then 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 4 cups of cooked rice, 1 stick of melted unsalted butter, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, that's about the ingredients that we are going to use for this recipe. And let's start about making the recipe. And let's turn the stove on 250 degrees and let it, while it's heating up, let's beat the eggs. Let's beat the eggs. Four eggs I took. I took 4 eggs. Let's beat the 4 eggs. These 4 eggs. Let's see. In the pan where the thing is heating up, pour 2 teaspoons of 2 to 4 teaspoons of melted butter. While whisking this one, and you can add the cashews. Raisins together. Until they get brown. You want to bring the milk? Okay. And I forgot to tell you about the ingredients. We have to also, one of the ingredients is 4 cups of milk. I kept it in the refrigerator because I didn't want to keep the milk outside. Now we can add the milk to the eggs. 4 cups of milk. I turned the stove off with the cashews and they are pretty good. Yeah. You can take them out of the stove. Now you have the egg and the milk, and you can add the sugar in it. Mix it all together. Now you can add the water in the pan, 2 cups of water in the pan. Slowly turn the stove on to 250 degrees. Let the water boil. And while you are slowly mixing the mixture, in the mixture you can also add the spoon of salt and can you bring me a teaspoon?
What?
Teaspoon?
Teaspoon?
Teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cardamom powder. Oh, the water is boiling. We added all the ingredients in it. Now we can slowly add the mixture to the water. oven it to 250 degrees. Now we can add the cooked rice. Now it's slowly coming up. We can add the raisins and cashews to it. It's slowly coming up. Now everything is added to it. Raisins and cashews, everything is added to it, and it's slowly coming up. It should be all done within few minutes, and then we can put it in a dish and bake it, and it all should be done. It tastes good. I just tasted it. Indian style rice pudding. Instead of cardamom powder, you can use vanilla essence and cinnamon powder according to your liking. And I prefer to keep it with cardamom powder, but you can use all different kinds. Like mostly vanilla essence and cinnamon. They also taste and smell good. And you can bake in an oven at the end. Once they all come together, you can take them up, and still there's water in it a little bit. You can take it and put it in a dish and butter it all around, and transfer the thing from the pot to the ingredients from the pot to the dish, and to the baking dish to the oven, and bake it for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you can take it out, chill it, and some people like to refrigerate it, cool it, and eat it. It's all up to you. Some people like it hot, some people like it cold, but it all tastes good. Some people like it, keep it for the next day morning for breakfast. Hello, this is the finished rice pudding. This is the finished rice pudding, and I'm going to taste it now and tell you how I like it, okay? Very good. You should try it. My single tip is it's really delicious. You can reduce the water, maybe half a cup or something, but it's still good if you want to wait on the rice to get really cooked. It has to soak in the mixture and get cooked good. So I use 2 cups of water for 4 cups of cooked rice. It's good. It came out very good. The consistency is good. The texture is good. The cashews and raisins are the right amount. The sugar is right, just right. if you have a sweet tooth, if you want to add more sugar, it's okay. But I feel it's the right amount of sugar. For 4 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of sugar, 4 cups of milk, 4 eggs. It's just delicious. You can cook a big amount and keep it and eat for the whole family. Or if you're just by yourself, keep it and eat for a few days. It's really too good. I'm diabetic, but I'm still eating. I'll take my sugar pills and I'll be okay. But oh, this is very good. Very good. Hope you enjoy it and try it and let me know down below, and hope you like it. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be posting more videos on cooking videos. Hope you get to subscribe and like my videos and encourage me on YouTube. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.